right, we're at it again. We got a customer with a GE dishwasher, and the complaint is that they start the dishwasher and it drains right away and it runs a cycle, is what the customer says. I mean, we haven't seen it yet, but the customer says it runs a cycle, and then they believe it repeats the same cycle over and over and over again. It eventually stops, they open it up, it has drained, but the soap tray has never opened. So we're gonna do a diagnostic. We'll get at it. Hopefully we'll be able to share some of that diagnostic with you. We'll get it all on film for you. Get out and get some, people. It's a beautiful day.
Get out and get it.
Looks like you got a reading. You got 15 ohms of resistance, so heating element's good.
So that's the drain pump. It's the water valve. Circulation pump. Heater. That was the soap module.
Soap module worked.
I think this has a drying fan.
It's looking like it's not getting warm.
Yeah. Yeah, it stopped filling, so that seems pretty good.
Stopped filling?
Yeah, and it knows not to fill again.
Seems everything. Diverter seems to be working. Circulation pump is working.
Heater we already know works.
So you just clean the sensor and then it started filling?
Yeah, it's progress from last time at least. Soap dispenser works. Can give us that error code in any of the other modes.
All right, so that was a little bit of troubleshooting because there weren't any error codes popping up, and you know, sometimes some of the loads were working on diagnostic mode, sometimes they weren't. But what did you find there, Jacob?
Yeah, so sometimes the error codes were popping up. We managed to get it, and it almost seemed control board related. Like one cycle always wouldn't fill with water. You would just change the heat setting, and then it would fill with water. It was very bizarre what it was portraying, but the pressure sensor we eventually got an error for. One of the cycles gave a very blatant pressure sensor error. So took off the pressure sensor after it drained, and this big gunk of algae or, you know, buildup from the water just fell out of it as we cleaned it. So now that that's nice and clean, we don't have issues with that anymore. We did a full set of testing, and after all the tests, every cycle ran fine. Everyone filled, everyone drained without issue. So there was just a clog up of algae inside that pressure sensor. And we advised the guy, maybe, you know, he was telling us all of his ailments with his sink faucets and everything else. Told him maybe look into home filtration systems. It sounds like he's had to deal with that before, but it's like 5 years of buildup.
Yeah, so we got a full repair, I guess in under an hour. So we got, you know, it was a cash on delivery client and full repair on the ticket. So we're stoked. But it was weird because the symptoms were pointing towards, you know, a float switch, water not fixed, water was filling, wasn't filling. But the way the interface was operating was just a little strange. But you heard it from the chief engineer himself there. Just cleaned it off, and we were in and out, $250 on the ticket. Get out and get it, people. It's a beautiful day.
Get it.